Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the part 2 video of the mask opening that I got from Amazon. I had 2 masks. I already opened the first one and this is the second one. Came from FantasyParty latex mask. Here's the letter. There it is. Looks alright. And that is it. Those are the 2 masks that I ordered. I ordered them like 3 days ago and they shipped pretty fast. The other one is, I ordered one more and that one's coming this Friday. Maybe tomorrow though, but when that comes in, I'll make a video on that too. If you guys want, go ahead and like and go ahead and subscribe. If you guys want to see more masks. And that's it.